I'm comparing our TMS switcher to obviously search discovery and requestly. So I'll go through these. You know, as you can see, obviously our switcher does everything. But for example, what we can do today is we can detect DTM. We can switch a DTM staging with a click of a button. You know, requestly can't do that, but SDI can. We can also detect launch. We can automatically record all of the environments that you have available in launch whenever you visit the environments tab. So search discovery does that pretty seamlessly. We do that as well. And then once you save all of that, you can switch from your production environment that the launch is using to any of the other environments of that website's launch profile. So that's really where search discovery, you know, that's their thing, right? That's what they do really nice, and we do it as well. Switching launch production to any saved environment from any launch profile, that's something that the search discovery switch doesn't do. And us, you know, you can do that, and there's some use cases there. Again, they might be a little edge case for some practitioners, but for consultants, I think it's going to be a good one. Notify when new profiles are saved, manage all of your previously saved profiles and environments. So you can do that with Requestly pretty easily. You know, you can do up to 10. With us, you can, you know, you can also do that, and with Switcher, you really can't. Flag migration deadlines or any other messages. Search Discovery does not do that. We do. Enable debug. We can do it. They can do it. Replace any part of a network request URL with any other custom string. This is actually very powerful. Not a lot of people will end up using it, likely, who knows, but it's something that Requestly you can do really nicely. And I wanted our switcher to be able to do that as well. And then be able to manage more than 10 custom host URL replacements for free. Requestly today, you have to pay. And for us, you'll be able to do that.